Getting the colors right is so important in astrophotography. That's why Siril's new Spectrophotometric Color Calibration tool is awesome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use this tool. Let's get into it. First, we need to plate solve the image. To do this, go to Tools, Astrometry, and Image Plate Solver. Here, search the object of your image. I'm using Carina Nebula, so that's what I will type here. Make sure your focal length and pixel size is right and press OK. The image is solved. Now we go to Image Processing, Color Calibration, Spectrophotometric option, and I will leave most settings default except for the sensor type. Make sure you choose the right sensor here. If you are using any filters, make sure you mention them here as well. Since I'm using a mono camera, I'll change OSC to mono and select narrowband mode. The parameters are correct for my camera, so I will go ahead and click OK. There we go. The image has been calibrated. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.